everyone, Brianna Barwinski here, and today we are going to be making a mini sketchbook. This one is an example of an already made one. See? We need a stapler, a ruler, eraser, pencil, pair of scissors, any color paper you like, and of course, 2 A4 papers. But both sides have to be white. As you can see, I already cut mine over here. I'm going to be showing you how to cut yours. Putting this to the side. You need the pencil and the ruler with the centimeter side up. You will find out if you line it with the long side that it goes to 28. But you don't need that part. So first we mark the 12 and then we mark the 24. This is going to be the side that you cut off. Then you flip it around. And you mark one at 7.5 and one at 14.5. Then you draw a straight line here and a straight line here, then a straight line here and here. But these two straight lines don't go across this straight line, okay? Now after we've done that and you cut it off, it's going to look like this. We line it up and we fix it because some edges are probably not going to be straight like mine. At first, we need to fold this one in half. And then you're probably going to need to fix it again. But I won't mind with mine yet. Okay, so you then fold it flat again and then mark the two sides. Then you cut it. I'll be showing you how big you need to cut. Then you fold this one with the white paper, like this. You find the middle line, and you take your stapler and staple it right on this hinge. Just over here. Now you do the other side. If you need help, you can ask your parent. Now when you're done stapling, it will look like this. You fold it in half again. Then you take the strip that you cut it out earlier. You will line it on this side and use your pencil to draw where it stops. Then you cut it. Cut. Okay, then you take some colored markers or pencils and you draw your own design on it. There's rainbows and a lot more. I'm going to be doing red and orange leaves. If you want, you can find a piece of scratch paper to put on the back so you won't draw on the table. Okay, now that we are done with the design, you put this on this mini sketchbook and have it in half. Okay, you take the glue stick and you glue it. You push it back on and you fold it in half. Ta-da! Now we've finished making our own mini sketchbook. You can also use markers or a pencil to draw or write things on it. Like this one says Evie's sketchbook. And there's also Bell's friend's sketchbook, a Marie's sketchbook, another Marie's sketchbook, and the other sketchbook. This one is a fold in half writing one. Okay, well that's it for today. Bye!